In this exercise, I'd like to talk about Tundra, and it is a Trinity College Grade 1 exercise, exercise 1A. And this is all about tone, balance, and voicing. Alright, first thing we need to remember is that we are going to play this piece in F major. So we need to take note of the B flat that we are going to play in certain parts of the piece. The left hand starts on F, thumb on C, while the right hand starts on F, thumb on F, right here above middle C. So left hand C, middle C on the thumb on middle C there. We're going to start with the left hand. We have this 3 and 5, 2 on B flat, 2 and 4, and 1 and 3, followed by 2. Then we're going to do 1 on C, all the way down, and we're going to place our pinky on C below, and we're going to do 4, 3, 2. That's the easiest way to do it with the movement as well. The right hand has a little bit of a movement. First we're going to start 1, 5, 4 on B flat, moving to A, thumb on A, from F, G to A, 5 again, keeping our hand in the same position, 5, 4, 3, 2 on B flat, 1, third finger over, G, 2. Putting your hands together, 1, 5, move, right hand, lift both up, 5, 4, now move down, left hand, third finger over, ending on both 2. Very important, dynamics, piano first, crescendo as we go up. Not too much. Decrescendo to piano, ending piano at the end. Please remember to subscribe if you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.